Okay, we have a lot of rain here. We also have the catfish on the street.
What is this anyway?
Wait, don't touch it, don't touch it.
Do you know what I mean? It is a catfish.
What is it?
It is a catfish.
Okay, wait.
It is a catfish.
Okay, let's see.
It is a catfish.
Okay, so what are we gonna do?
Leave
You
it
gonna
alone.
take it?
Take a picture, yeah.
Where is it going?
Just do whatever we can survive. That is an actual catfish.
Okay, here, take this.
Is there any more?
Hold this. Let's see. You think you can get it here? Let me get some water.
Yeah.
You think it's gonna get inside?
No, I won't go inside. I won't go inside.
No?
No.
No, I think he's dead.
No, he can't be dead yet.
No.
Oh, maybe he is dead.
Yeah.
No, he's not dead.
Wait.
He's not dead. He's just resting.
Calm down. Maybe.
No, he's not gonna go in there. Mama, you gotta grab it.
No, you grab it.
Mama, you gotta grab it.
You grab it.
No, you gotta grab it. No, just leave it be. Just leave it be.
Into the water.
No, just leave it be. Just leave it be.
Oh, where's it going?
Just leave it be.
No, it's gonna die.
Oh yeah, definitely roadkill.
Ah!
It's not gonna jump. Oh, okay, it jumped. Why am I always wrong? Don't do that, my man. Don't do that.
Why, it's gonna hurt me?
Well, yeah.
Oh, no. Maybe I should put some more water. No.
Flee, flee. You don't go anywhere.
I think it's going to the water.
Yeah, if he goes in the water, yeah. Let him.
Okay.
Man, man, leave him be. Man, let him into the water. Let him into the water, okay? No, man, put him in the water. Come on.
Oh, look at that.
There you go. You happy? You're not gonna catch it, no. Man, leave it be.
Oh,
I'll take a picture.
what is it? Oh, my goodness. Wait.
You give him that.
He's going to the zoo.
Okay then.
He's happy now.
Exactly.
Get
We're
him.
dying to see it, but oh well.
Whoa.
Man, you shouldn't have been feeding the fish yet. Seriously.
I just wanted him to go there.
There's another
There's
one.
another one. Oh, great. He's going to meet with them. He's getting out too. Come on, follow your friend. Follow your friends. What, you want to run it? You run?
Much drier.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, this is much sick.
Huh?
He's like, he's much older.
There you go. There you go. Go. Woo!